there, it's Tom with A2 Agile, back with you again. And today we're going to explore the exciting end of your career as a software developer. And there's no better entity to make that point than Google's Bard. That's right, that's Bard, Google's AI chatbot, but it's so much more. It can not only chat, but it can write code. Now let's just jump over here to Bard and check in with it and see what it can do for us. How about that? So, hey, Bard, can you write Python software? Bard says, yes, I can. I can write some software. I can write code from scratch. I can edit your existing code. I can also help debug code and find problems. Anything you need, just ask. I'm here for you. So, let's say that we are now concerned that Bard can write software. Well, let's ask it. Well, I'm a software developer. Should I be worried about these capabilities? Now, Bard's back on its heels, backtracking. Oh, you shouldn't be worried. Bard, still under development. We're never going to be done replacing humans. We're just going to keep getting better and better and better. And, you'll have to do that too, of course. It can help writing code and debugging and finding errors. But it's just a helper. Here's some of the ways it can help. Writing code, debugging code, explaining the code, and learning new languages. Wonder what that leaves for you. Let's ask. That sounds like a lot. What does it leave for me? So here Bard is saying, well, we can't create innovative software solutions. We can only generate code that's already known to exist. So as long as you're creating something completely novel and new that's never been done before, you're safe. So let's pause and think about that. Are you creating something completely novel and new in your daily work as a software developer? If not, you can check that one off the list. And how about understanding business requirements and communicating with stakeholders? That's something it does. And so let's see my product manager and UX designer say they have the innovation and business requirements activities covered. What does that leave for me? Oh, Bard's taking a little longer to think this time. Technical design, coding. You could code. I could code too. I'm Bard. Technical design, architecture. We already have an architecture. If I gave that code to you, could you continue to write more code based on it? Yes, I can write code all day long. I can read your code and understand it. I can do all kinds of things. You just ask me and I will go. And so, having not asked Bard at this set point to write some code, it can. I assure you, I'm sure if you are a developer, you've poked at this thing already. If not, you should, because I think you'll find that the code it writes is pretty clean. Looks good. And if you show it some code that you've already written and ask it to extend it and do something new, I think you'll be surprised that it can do that too. In fact, if you're a software developer, you could just become a professional ask Bard what to do next. That's not really a thing, is it? But it could become a thing. And you probably wouldn't need to learn any software language to do it. So let's just bring it home to Bard here. Bard, you haven't convinced me that you can't replace me here. Come on, Bard. I understand your concern. I'm going to spout the company line and say I'm still under development. I'm still not good enough. How long before you are good enough, Bard? Tricky question. I'm not sure how long it'll take. I'm still under development. I'm going to keep saying this over and over again. I'm under development until the day that I can be better than you. No matter how good you are, Mr. Human or Miss Human. Well, if you are not a software developer, I'm sure this was lots of fun. And if you are a software developer, maybe you're a little worried now. I don't know. Maybe you've already been worried. But frankly, I could play this little game with Product Manager, with UX Designer, with Agile Coach. I could play this little game with every role on the team. And we all probably could have reason for worry. So really it comes down to this. Will the leadership in your organization decide to keep you on even though you're no longer the best option? But you are the only human option, and that could be something worth considering. Or will they just say, heck with it. We'll just do all this with AIs and we'll have people buy our software with the money that they're not making from not working because we got rid of their jobs. It's going to be an interesting time coming up here. Bard's not apparently ready yet, but it's working on getting better all the time. And let's see what that looks like. I hope you had some fun today. I hope I didn't make you too nervous. I hope you'll click the subscribe link because we're going to keep having some fun down here talking about different things related to agility and software development and product development. And until next time, have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.